Hello dear students, welcome back to e-classes of Statistics Standard 11th. In this video, let's continue sum number 4 of exercise 6.1. Let's read the question. If 3n plus 3 p4 is equals to 5n plus 2 p4, then find the value of n. So, 3n plus 3 p4 is equals to 5n plus 2 p4 is given. So 3n plus 3 p4 can be written as 3 n plus 3 n plus 3 minus 1 n plus 3 minus 2 n plus 3 minus 3 as per the definition of NPR. Now we have studied some results in which the first result was NPR is equals to n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus 3 up to n minus r plus 1. So according to the definition of NPR, it can be written as 3n plus 3 n plus 3 minus 1 n plus 3 minus 2 n plus 3 minus 3. Now why 4 brackets are there? Because p4. So this is first, second, third and fourth bracket. So in the same way, 5n plus 2 p4 can be written as 5n plus 2 n plus 2 minus 1 n plus 2 minus 2 n plus 2 minus 3. So now we'll do additions and subtractions. So 3n plus 3 and n plus 3 will remain same. N plus 3 minus 1 becomes n plus 2. N plus 3 minus 2 becomes n plus 1. N plus 3 minus 3 becomes n. Same way we'll solve this with additions and subtractions. 5 will write as it is, n plus 2 will write as it is, then n plus 2 minus 1 becomes n plus 1, n plus 2 minus 2 becomes n plus 2 minus 3 becomes n minus 1. Now, whatever is same, we'll cancel that. N plus 2 will cancel, n plus 1 will be cancelled with n plus 1, n will be cancelled with n. What remains is 3 multiplied by n plus 3 is equals to 5n minus 1. Now we'll multiply this. 3 into n becomes 3n, 3 into 3 becomes 9 is equals to 5 into n becomes 5n, 5 into minus 1 becomes minus 5. So when you solve this equation, it becomes 9 plus 5 is equals to 5n minus 3n. So 14 is equals to 2n. So n is equals to 14 divided by 2, that becomes 7. So the value of n is 7 here. Let's solve the other sum. Now we are solving the sum from exercise 6, section B, sum number 9 from your textbook. Let's read it. If NP3 is equals to 210, find the value of n. So NP3 is equals to 210 is given. NP3 can be written as per the formula n factorial upon n minus 3 factorial is equals to 210. And n factorial in numerator can be written as n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 factorial. Now why we have stopped up to n minus 3 factorial? Because in denominator we have n minus 3 factorial that will be cancelled. So what remains is n minus 1, n minus 2 is equals to 210. So 3 consecutive factors, that is 3 consecutive multiples, that is 7 into 6 into 5. 210 can be written as 7 into 6 into 5. So 7 will write as it is. 6 can be written as 7 minus 1. 5 can be written as 7 minus 2. So here the value of n is 7. So here we have finished 2 sums. Go through it. We'll start problem sums of permutation in our next video. Till then, revise it properly. Thank you.